bring one of those empty chairs and come down here. I found a marketplace, and this is his home. Come over to your left, all the way to the street. You'll see me stand up.
Oh, is that right?
So things going okay?
Yeah. Yeah, Ken and I were just at a feather better day show yesterday. I won the People's Choice on that one.
Nice. Nice. Oh, we'll do it. I can just get mine out of somebody's shop there.